How do you succeed as a new independent nurse consultant? So yes, you finally decided to start making that leap from being a bent out, stressed out, frustrated nurse leader, and then now you're building your own nurse consulting business, but you're wondering how to go about it and how you're going to build a business that is successful, because maybe you've run other business models in the past, but none of them have been profitable or enabled you to make the impact that you want to make. Well, here's 4 tips on how to succeed as a new or aspiring independent nurse consultant. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Tip number 1, take imperfect, messy action. Do not wait until you've got all the facts at hand for you to begin. Start right away, because the thing with ideas is they have a lifespan, and when you don't take action on that inspiration or that idea you're having to turn your nursing expertise into a nurse consulting business, then with time that idea goes away. You don't want this to be you and then regret 10, 20, 30 years down the line, or even when it's too late. Many people's dreams die because they wait for the perfect amount of information before they get started. As for you, don't let that be you. Start taking imperfect action right away. Tip number 2, define profitable consulting services that you can offer, and make sure that whatever consulting services you're offering are unique to you, 1, and 2, are needed and there's an actual demand in the market. Do not assume you know the answers to the problems that healthcare providers have, but do the work to actually define these consulting packages and services. When you do the work, the demand reduces and you find that healthcare providers will be needing your services. It makes landing your first few clients easy. As a result, you start forming recurring relationships that sometimes even last for so many years. So what consulting services are you going to offer? Let me know in the comments below. Tip number 3, don't be afraid of no's. Many people hesitate when it comes to starting their nurse consulting business and landing their first clients because they're afraid of hearing no's when they approach different healthcare providers with their proposals. Redefine the way you view a no. The quicker you get through your no's, the faster you get to your yes. So be quick about it. Don't take it personal. When a healthcare provider says no to your proposal, they're not saying no to you as a person. So this is not personal. This is business. They're simply saying no to the services that you're offering. And sometimes it's probably because you have not taken the time to really dig deep and define the specific services and problems that healthcare providers have. So fall in love with no's. Tip number 4, be consistent and deliver excellent work. I tell you, your reputation will precede you. When you do an amazing job, providers cannot help but just maintain that relationship and rave about you to other healthcare providers as well. This will enable you to build strong relationships as well as a great reputation. And over time, this translates to revenue in your business. If you're ready to gain time freedom and autonomy using your nursing expertise through independent nurse consulting, then book a free consultation with me. My calendar link is in the comments below. Hit subscribe if you haven't done so already, and remember to like this video.